signed away his rights to the baby. She's under the guardianship of the adoption agency now. I frankly think that the hospital's going to take a very dim view of this.
In the outback, there's one good thing after another. So come enjoy 4 mouth-watering courses with our limited-time Outback 4 menu. There's soup, salad, and your choice of entrees like our signature sirloin or juicy pork tenderloin, plus our creamy cheesecake. That's 4 courses for only $15. And how about one more good thing? Get a free $10 bonus card when you buy $50 worth of gift cards for Mother's Day or graduation. It's always fresh in the Outback.
Every swing comes with a guarantee, a lifetime guarantee. So come on into Walmart for the ride of a lifetime, guaranteed. Each item sold separately.
Your smile, like other precious things that start off white, it yellows over time. When it comes to your smile, if you're not whitening, you're yellowing. Crest White Strips whiten as well as $500 professional treatments. Guaranteed. Crest
Watch Jason.
White Strips. Switch to Swiffer 360 Dusters.
Trying his best to figure out how to get to that birdhouse.
But don't worry, he'll find someone else.
What's that tree house? Someone get on that chair. I'm gonna jump this. It's like I'm looking down. Hey, I can do this. I can do this. You better start going. Oh.
He did it.
For the things you can't wash, freshen them with Febreze.
So you can get to a tree like that, right?
L'Oreal creates a breakthrough for your skin. New Miracle Blur. In seconds, it erases
That's
all the
crazy.
lines and wrinkles and pores. It's not a moisturizer. It's an instant skin smoother. See it, believe it, try it. New Miracle Blur from L'Oreal Paris. Your hands are
Quick,
only
say,
as
don't
good say as
no
the
joke.
towel used to dry them. So why use
You go try to get down.
over and over again?
You better start videoing it.
I just did.